Hey everyone, in today's video I will be telling you guys or showing you guys of how to turn your Bluetooth on your AirPods Pro Maxes. So go to the home. First of all, make sure that your iPhone or whatever you want to connect your AirPods Maxes with are updated to the latest version of iOS. Then go to the home screen. Take your AirPods Maxes out of the smart case and within 60 seconds hold them next to the device that you want to pair and with your AirPods Maxes until you see a setup animation on your device. It could either be on the device, your iPhone or your iPad, which shows the battery and the rotating AirPod Pro Maxes as this example that they have given us. Yeah, and if you don't see the animation, you can pair your AirPods Max manually. And to manually if you don't see the status light flashing white on the AirPods Maxes, press and hold the noise control button until the light flashes white. Then tap connect to pair your AirPods Maxes with your device on Bluetooth, such as this. And then after doing that, your AirPods, and after pairing your AirPod Max with your device, you set up features such as Hey Siri, etc. etc. So yeah, two methods of turning your Bluetooth on your AirPods are Maxes are so simply hold the A and C button for 10 seconds until it flashes white and this shows your Bluetooth is on and ready to pair. And the first way is to simply hold them next to the device you want to connect them with. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can easily turn Bluetooth on your AirPod Maxes. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video till the end.